The customer reported that the check engine light was on. I connected a scan tool and found the trouble code P0717, indicating no signal from the input turbine speed sensor A. To confirm the issue, I performed a road test while monitoring live data on the scan tool and observed that the transmission speed sensor readings were erratic. Next, I inspected the wiring harness and connector of the transmission speed sensor for any visible damage, such as corrosion, wear, or loose connections, but found no obvious faults. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the sensor's connector. Both were present, ruling out any issues with power or grounding. To investigate further, I backprobed the transmission speed sensor and monitored its signal using a lab scope during another road test. The signal observed on the lab scope was erratic, which confirmed that the sensor itself was faulty and not the wiring or power supply. The input turbine speed sensor is a critical component of the transmission system as it provides the engine control module, ECM, with data about the rotational speed of the transmission input shaft. This information is essential for proper gear shifting and torque converter operation. An erratic or missing signal can lead to incorrect transmission behavior, reduced drivability, and the activation of the check engine light. A systematic diagnostic approach, verifying power, ground, and signal integrity, is necessary to pinpoint the exact cause of the issue and avoid unnecessary parts replacement. I replaced the faulty transmission speed sensor with a new one, cleared the fault codes, and performed another road test to verify the repair. The vehicle operated correctly, the check engine light remained off, and no new fault codes appeared. This approach ensured the problem was accurately diagnosed and resolved, leaving the vehicle in proper working condition before returning it to the customer.